The man that lives here is 97 years old. And he has no dust. He has no clutter. I'm not sure sometimes what I'm supposed to clean. I have to ask him, how on earth are you so clean? So this is Mario.
Yes.
Mario, you just turned 97.
Right.
He has the most incredible home, and I just have to ask, how do you keep it so nice?
How I keep so nice?
Yeah.
I get up early in the morning, I have my breakfast, and then I start cleaning here and there.
Your wife, I know she was very particular.
Yes, she was. She was always telling me what to do.
You've been well trained.
Well trained by watch my mother when I was home back to Italy.
Oh, okay, of course. You told me a trick that you do in order to keep your shower really clean.
I'm going to the gym and the pool 3 times a week.
Yeah.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I don't have to use my shower too much.
That's incredible. You also told me about your driver's license. Do you want to tell everybody how that went?
See, when you get 80 years old, always you have to go see your doctor for your driver license. I've been many times in there, but this was my hard time. At 96, I still passed my test.
And when's the next time you have to go in
The
again?
next time I have to go, I hope I'm still here. I'll be 99 years old.
And you know, he backs up like a champ because I have to park next to him. There's very little room. He does incredible.
I back up still on the mirror, and I do 100%.
You sure
Driving.
Do. You sure do. So Mario, you have a good memory too, because I worked for you many, many years ago.
Yes.
And all of a sudden, out of the blue, I got a call from you.
I still remember the good old Debbie. She's my best.
Oh, it was just so heartwarming because it was such a long time in between visits, and yes, and Mario, your wife is in a facility.
Yes.
Right.
Because she's got a dementia.
Right.
I go in there 2, 3 times, 4 times a week to see her.
Right.
We've been married for 56 years. And I still love her, and I do anything to keep her happy.
Oh, you're incredible. You're such a loyal husband, loving and a loving father as well. You do so much for your family.
Always.
Yeah, and
Even if they're bad, I still back them up.
Oh. Oh, you give me goosebumps, Mario. You're just amazing. You really are. And your home, how long have you lived here?
I live in here since 1980.
Wow. And
Yes.
how many square feet is this house? It's big.
I think it's about 14
14
square feet.
Okay.
Up and down, yeah.
Wow.
And I got a half an acre lot.
Yes, you do your own gardening
that
too.
I still did my garden until 96 years old.
Oh my
And I hope
goodness.
to do it next spring again.
Oh my goodness. I want to ask you, if you told me when you were doing your gardening last year that the way you get rid of your weeds, because I said, how do you get rid of your weeds? And you said you poke them with a stick.
With the stick.
Is that for...
It's easy, so I don't have to bend down.
Does it really work? You just kind of pokes them under the dirt.
It worked with me because I haven't got too much weeds.
That's true. You really don't. It must have been all the years of you working so hard. I'm hoping you'll let me give everybody just a brief tour of your beautiful home so that they can see how incredible it is.
You do that, help yourself.
Oh, thank you.
And you know the house because you clean it.
Yes, I do.
You know every little step.
Yes, well, I don't have to really work hard. Sometimes it's just a matter of coming in and shining. Can you actually see a difference when I come in?
Yes, I do. I do because, like I told you, I'm very, very fussy about it. And if I miss a little spot in the bathroom, I miss because I can't do what I used to do before, bend down on my knee.
Right.
And then Debbie does the second work for me.
Oh, thank you. This is Mario's beautiful backyard, and he pruned those trees himself.
Yeah, I did too.
That is incredible. And he also mows his own lawn. You got to do your grapes next. You just never stop, do you?
Nobody shovel my patio, Debbie. I shovel all my patio myself.
Wow.
The steps, the back, you know.
That's a lot.
But
You have
the
a big...
driveway, I give away my snowblower.
Good.
And my neighbor is really good to me, so
Good.
he does mine before he does his.
Oh, that's
That's
sweet.
what good neighbors I got in there.
That's
And
incredible.
one morning I get up in the morning, and there was another neighbor in there who was doing the snow, you know.
So you're surrounded by good people.
But good people, yeah.
And that helps.
And helps a lot to me.
Absolutely.
They bring me food. This next door over here, he come out with some smoke ham, you know, and I says, I smoke some ham. I says, and they bring me soup, you know. I got a good neighbor, Debbie.
Oh,
Very
that's
good neighbor.
awesome. I'm so happy
Yeah.
that you do. You're good to them
good to
too.
them, too.
Absolutely, I can tell.
I get along pretty easy.
Yeah. Do you have any advice for people, young people?
Young people?
Yes, young people out in the world. Anybody out in the world.
Well, stay away from smoking. The first thing I can tell the young people. Good.
Yes, well, you're proof of your good health.
I've never been a smoker, and I've never been a drinker.
Oh,
But-
wow.
So I like my wine at nighttime,
Right?
one glass of wine with my meal every
Okay.
day. So
And do you make your own wine?
I used to make 40 gallons a year,
Wow.
but I quit doing now about, I would say, 5 years ago, because the equipment, it gets a little bit too hard for me now
Okay.
to handle.
Right.
To clean the bears, handle the grapes, you know.
Right.
I'll go to the liquor store. And I'll buy Italian wine, Rufino.
Oh, there you go. Only the good stuff.
Oh, good stuff.
Well, that's great advice, and I again thank you so much. I hope that everybody will be inspired as much as I am by
Well, I
you.
wish everybody a double by mine. And to you too, because you're a good girl for me. So, and I never forget about it, never.
Oh,
never.
I really appreciate everything. I
So,
do.
But I
It's a
knew
pleasure.
The first time when you was here with Jenny, you know how she was. Jenny, my wife, she was a little bit different than I am. She wants quantity but no quality.
Right.
I want quality.
Right.
The cost, whatever it is,
Mm-hmm.
it's okay.
Right.
So,
Yeah, well, and you can tell by the fine things that you have too that
Yeah.
quality counts, and it's lasted the years.
and how you look after it's another thing.
Right.
You got furniture in the house, you got to look after.
Right. It's an
You
investment.
can't let it go
Right.
and last you forever.
He just finally gave up his recliner.
Finally, I give up.
He was keeping it to the bitter end, but his family bought him a new recliner,
New
so
recliner.
it's very nice.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I'm so
And
glad
my
you got
kids,
it.
They're good to me, so
Yes.
I've been good to her too.
Of course you have. I know you
that's-
have. You're an incredible dad and a
nice.
wonderful husband.
For sure.
Yes, I don't know anybody else that is as I don't know, just so well rounded and balanced as you are.
Thank you, Debbie, thank you. And I hope I've been going the way I've been going for many years yet.
I know you will.
I'm going to be here on my 100th birthday.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that. That would be so great. We're gonna have some of that
We're gonna
Italian
have- We're going to have a big celebration.
and some Italian wine.
Oh, yes, for sure. For sure. Maybe I find somebody that he's got the homemade too.
Oh, there we go. Yes, you'll have to track somebody
Talk
down.
to somebody,
Okay.
my friends.
I want to thank you so much for being such
Thank you to you.
such a loyal client. And I've been back now with you for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years, I suppose.
Yes, that's about 3 years. Yes.
Yeah, and it's just been such a pleasure. You're
And
just a
I
wonderful.
hope you'll be here till I'm here.
Absolutely. And I think that
And no quit on me.
no. I think you're going to be here a really long time.
Okay.
It was so nice to talk to you. Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Thank you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Thank you. One last thing I'm going to ask you to say is, can you please say, subscribe to Debbie's channel?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Debbie's channel. Do you want to say it one more time?
Subscribe Debbie's channel.
Thank you. You're awesome. Perfect. Seriously, he's an inspiration. I mean, it's gorgeous. I have spent time here doing things, so, it doesn't get dusty, I suppose. But my gosh, I'm just inspired. I'm inspired by him. I hope you're inspired too. Where?
At the curtains a little bit.
Oh, yeah. They're
we do it in the springtime.
They're so elegant. They are. But you do a wonderful job, like on everything. I just can't believe you keep up to everything.
I keep.
And your wife would be so happy to see what you have done.
Today she asked me, says, you got anybody help you to clean the house?
Oh, really?
It's
amazing. That's
but then
awesome.
She forget. If I tell you, I can't tell who she is, because it's no use to us. She says, yeah, I got somebody help me to clean.
Right.
But she still sometimes.
She comes.
Makes sense, yeah.
Right. Oh, that must be such a beautiful thing when that happens.
Said, last night I dreamed, they took my room apart. They took this out. It's just.
Oh my gosh, yes, that's hard. I'm so glad that you're as well as you are, for her sake and yours, because you are just amazing.
I do my best till my mom, she says, I'm going till they close the top from the coffin. I'm going.
It's a long ways off. It's a long ways off.